Well, that's it.
Conditions around, yes. Areas of fog, some of it freezing, are likely to cause problems in central and eastern regions overnight. A more immediate threat for areas from the Isle of Wight and Dorset up through the West Country to Bristol in particular, where sleet, snow and freezing rain is causing really icy conditions, quite treacherous ones on some road surfaces at the moment. It's this area of rain and sleet here that's beginning to move in. Of course, it's been terribly cold all day. That rain and sleet is tied in with a low pressure area and weather fronts out to the west. They'll slowly attempt to nudge their way in across the country in the next 24 hours, but they will take their time. So particularly slippery in some of these regions as the sleety weather moves in. Mostly the sleet and snow over the high ground of the moors, up through West Wales later in the night and Northern Ireland too, with rain and wet sleet lower down. And further eastwards, that fog is likely to thicken up overnight. Some of it could be freezing by the end of the night, because away from the extreme west there'll be yet another severe and widespread frost, temperatures way down to -6 or -7 in places. Out to the west, particularly over Ireland, temperatures may just nudge up above freezing later on as those winds freshen from the southeast ahead of the weather system. That will be pushing in tomorrow, bringing rain across Ireland and the extreme southwest and West Wales. Again, some sleet and snow at least to start with over the hills. In eastern areas, very murky conditions. There could be some dense patches of fog around in places first thing, but in general, some bright or even sunny spells tending to come through at least for a time across in the east. For the west, watch out for the snow over the high ground of Wales. That will be spreading up through northern England and Scotland later on in the day, particularly heavy falls over the high ground, turning back to rain and fizzling out lower down. Another cold day for many of us. The temperatures will begin to rise out to the west, but that wind freshening from the southeast. Looking ahead for Thursday and Friday, as one band of rain disappears, another one will move in, but should clear away, but it'll still be cold.